Did you know there are animals on Earth with abilities so bizarre, they sound like pure science fiction? Imagine a creature that can regrow an entire leg or even parts of its brain. And what about a microscopic survivor that can literally endure the vacuum of outer space? From sharks with spring-loaded jaws to glowing organisms that turn the dark ocean into a living light show. Nature is full of wild adaptations that challenge everything we think we know about survival. Today, we'll uncover 6 of the strangest animal superpowers you won't believe are real. These are not myths, not legends. These are creatures alive right now on our planet. Stick around until the end, because the last animal has a trick so mind-blowing it practically breaks the rules of life itself. Welcome to Oddly Wild, where science and curiosity meet. The weirdest side of nature. Number 1. Our journey begins with a salamander that looks cute and harmless, but hides one of the most extraordinary powers in the animal kingdom. The axolotl, also called the Mexican walking fish, can regrow not just a lost limb, but also spinal tissue, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain. Instead of forming scar tissue like humans do, it activates special cells that reset into stem-like cells, then rebuilds the missing body part from scratch. Imagine losing an arm and watching it grow back, nerves, muscles, and bones included. Incredible, right? Scientists believe studying axolotls could one day revolutionize human medicine, maybe even curing spinal cord injuries. So let me ask you, if you could choose one body part to regrow, would you pick your hand or your brain? Number 2. Now let's dive into the ocean, where one of the cleverest shapeshifters lives, the mimic octopus. This creature doesn't just hide, it impersonates other animals completely. Lionfish with venomous spines, flatfish lying against the sand, or even a striped sea snake. And the best part? It chooses the disguise based on the threat. That's next-level survival. It's like having a deadly costume closet, ready at all times. If this amazed you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Oddly Wild so you'll never miss nature's weirdest secrets. Number 3. From clever disguises to something straight out of a nightmare, the goblin shark, also called a living fossil, hides a jaw like no other. It can shoot its jaws forward like a slingshot at a shocking speed of 3.1 meters per second. That's nearly 9% of its entire body length. Just picture that. Your own jaw shooting forward almost a tenth of your height. This adaptation makes the shark a terrifying ambush predator. In the pitch-black depths, lightning-fast jaws mean the difference between survival and starvation. Now tell me, if you ever faced a goblin shark and its spring-loaded jaws, would you run, or would curiosity keep you staring? Number 4. The ocean is also alive with creatures that make their own light. Bioluminescence, a chemical reaction between luciferin and oxygen, with the help of luciferase, creates a cold, glowing light. Some fish flash to confuse predators. Others glow on their bellies to blend with light from above, a trick called counterillumination. And some lure prey with glowing bait right into their mouths, from jellyfish that shimmer in the deep to fireflies sparkling on land. This adaptation shows nature's endless creativity. And here's a question for you. Would you rather glow in the dark so everyone can see you, or turn invisible and disappear completely? Number 5. Now let's shrink down to meet the toughest creature ever discovered, the tardigrade, the water bear. This tiny animal, less than a millimeter long, can survive freezing cold, scorching heat, crushing pressure, radiation, even the vacuum of space. In 2007, tardigrades were exposed directly to space, and many returned alive. Their secret? A state called cryptobiosis. They dry out completely, curl into a ball, and slow their metabolism almost to zero. On top of that, they produce unique proteins, including DSUP, which shields their DNA from radiation damage. Scientists even inserted DSUP into human cells, making them more resistant to radiation. That's insane. If you love discovering mind-blowing survival tricks like this, hit subscribe right now and stay curious with us. Number 6. But we're not done yet. Let's meet a creature that bends the rules of life, the immortal jellyfish. When stressed, injured, or simply aging, it doesn't keep going forward. Instead, it reverses its life cycle, transforming back from an adult into a juvenile polyp. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar. This trick, called transdifferentiation, lets it reset its biological clock, potentially forever. Of course, predators can still eat it, but biologically, this jellyfish may live endlessly. So tell me, do you think going back to a younger version of yourself counts as true immortality? Or is it just nature's clever trick? So today, we explored 6 of the strangest animal superpowers ever discovered. The regenerating axolotl, the shape-shifting mimic octopus, the jaw-launching goblin shark, glowing bioluminescent creatures, the space-proof tardigrade, and the immortal jellyfish. Each one proves survival isn't about size or strength. It's about adaptation and creativity. And this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll dive into the crushing depths of the ocean to discover how bizarre creatures survive under unimaginable pressure. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you enjoyed this strange journey through nature's secrets, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Oddly Wild, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our next adventure. Until then, stay curious, stay wild.